What you doing, Bella? Bella Boo! Bella Boo! What you doing? Bella, sit. Hey, look at the little Christmas outfit. Bella! You ready for Christmas, Bella? Huh? You ready for Christmas? Where's some ducks? Get them ducks. Hey, Bella Boo. Bella! Oh, little Christmas outfit. Oh, Bella Boo. Alright, I'm ready to go play some golf. What about you, Ashley? You're being recorded. There's the homo of the year. What are you washing your shoes? And you're about to go get them muddy. Brad's pretty gay. Alright, you ready to play golf? Think you can beat me today? Oh, yeah, I'm beat you. I dressed her up.
I can tell.
Where is she? Yeah, she looks good. Let's put her Christmas outfit on. You're styling.
That thing's a little small.
I know, it's hard to Velcro. Do something funny, Brad. Do one of your homo dances or whatever you do. Do you have some kind of weird little moves you do when Ashley gets on your nerves? Pull one off for the camera. Why not? Bella, your owners suck.